Welcome to this tutorial of Joomla. In this tutorial, we are going to go over Proforms and how to add and edit a field in Proforms. To get started, you want to go to your website /administrator. When you get here, you'll simply want to add your username and also add your password. Then you'll want to hit login. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted with this control panel in the back end of Joomla. We're not going to worry about these icons down here for this Proforms tutorial. All we're going to want to do is go to Components, down to Proforms, and click it once. This will then bring us to the Add and Edit stage of Forms and Templates of Proforms. Now it first greets you with the forms that you have on your website. These are just a list of all the different forms I have right now. What we need to do is find out what template this form uses, so that way we could go into the template and add or edit a field. So first what we want to do is say, let's say I wanted to change schedule a visit. So I first want to click this and figure out what template it's using. On the left side are the active template, or is the active template that it is using, which is schedule a visit. On the right side are the templates that are not active, so you don't have to worry about these. So this one's using a schedule a visit. So what I'll do is hit save to bring me back to the control panel of the Proforms. Now what I want to do is go to Templates and look for Schedule a Visit template. I found it, and you'll simply just click that. This just shows you the layout and the positioning of your template. We don't need to worry about this to add and edit a field. So all we need to do is just hit and proceed up at the top here. After you click that, you'll then see all the different fields on the left side of this template. If you click the right button up here that has the little red box, you'll then be greeted with the right side of the template. Now all I want to do is just go back to the left side of my template, and I'll want to add a field. On the right side over here, you'll see all the different choices that you can make for a different field in your template. Now, you have button, date, text field, specified choice, file attachment, HTML, which allows you to display custom HTML code between the form elements. All I want to do is just hit text field. So you'll hit the green plus button on the left side of text field. After that, you'll simply be greeted on the different parameters of this text field. It'll simply ask you your question. So I just want to type, what is your favorite food? Now you could type any question you like here. The alias you just want to leave blank. For the active, you'll want to make sure that it is checked and not have a red X. Now this is totally up to you. You can choose whether you want this text field to be required or not. Required basically means that the user will have to fill out this question or this button, whichever you pick. So I'll want this required. Now alignment, you simply have the choice of whether you want the question and the text field side by side, or whether you want the question and then the text field underneath. I'm going to choose the text field underneath. Now the layout position, no matter what you checked in the beginning, left or right, you can check which one you want here. So I'm just going to leave it to the left. Now after I'm done, I don't have to worry about any of the other options at the bottom. I'm just going to simply hit add. Now after this, it will simply bring me back to the different fields on the left side. You can see my question here, what is your favorite food? On the left side of that, it will tell me whether it's required or like zip code where it's not required. And that's how you add a form. Now let's say I wanted to edit that form field. So what I would do is just click whichever field you want. In this case, I'm just going to click the field that I just created. And let's say I wanted to change the question. You could go in here and change the question to whichever you would like. In this case, I'm going to go, what is your favorite color? Alias is still left blank. This time, I'm still going to make it active because I still want people to see it. But instead of required, I'm going to make this not required. And the alignment, because it goes with the rest of my form, all of my form fields are text box underneath or buttons underneath. So I'm going to leave this the same. But instead, I want to choose the right side. Now again, we don't need to worry about these options down here. So all I'm going to do is just hit save. And just like that, it is changed to what is your favorite food to what is your favorite color. And it is that easy to just add and edit a text field in ProForms. Thanks.